how many integral values of x will satisfy this inequality? That is 12 minus x into x plus 5 is greater than equal to minus 4x. So just expand this. This is 12x minus 5x. So it becomes 12x minus 5x minus x square plus 16 plus 4x is greater than equal to 0. Minus x square, take all the terms to this right hand side. So it becomes x square. This is 7x. So minus 7x. Sorry, this is 7x. 7x plus 4x is 11x. So minus 11x minus 16 is less than or equal to 0. I need to factorize this equation. So the factors 15 and 4 minus 15 plus 4. So the factorization of this equation is x minus 15 x plus 4 is less than or equal to 0. Now for this inequality, I know I have to mark the critical points. This is minus 4, this is 15, and this is minus 4, this is minus 15. I know this product in this region will be positive, and in this region will be negative, and in this region when x is less than minus 4, this product will be positive. I need this product to be negative, so I can say x will take the values from minus 4 to 15, and equality holds at minus 4 and 15 because this is less than or equal to 0, so this relation can be 0. So for x equal to minus 4 and x equal to 15, this product is 0. So how many integral values are there? 15 minus one term to the left, that is minus 5. So 20 values are there. So correct answer to this question is 20 integral values. Next.